Imagine a world where your thoughts alone can control devices, where AI is your personal assistant in every task, and robots are your companions. The next big things in technology are not just incremental updates, they are transformative ideas that will redefine our lives. The future is a canvas of endless possibilities. And the best part? These aren't distant dreams, but the seeds of today's technology, growing rapidly to shape an exciting tomorrow. So get ready to be inspired for the future. Let's get started. Number 1. BCI, Brain-Computer Interface. BCI technology is like something out of a sci-fi novel, but it's real and it's here. It enables a direct communication between a brain and an external device. Companies like Neurable and NextMind are at the forefront of this tech revolution. Neurable has made waves with their BCI virtual reality technology, which is a game changer in how we interact with virtual worlds. And it's not just about gaming though, the implications for healthcare are huge. Imagine being able to control prosthetic limbs or wheelchairs just by thinking about it, or helping stroke victims regain motor skills through BCI technology. And that's just scratching the surface. BCI could redefine our daily lives, from how we play games to how we manage our health and beyond. Number 2. Weight loss drugs. When it comes to shedding pounds, the future looks promising with the latest weight loss drugs like Wegovy and Mounjaro. These aren't your average diet pills, they're game changers in obesity management. Wegovy, which contains the active ingredient semaglutide, is a once-weekly injection that's been turning heads. It works by mimicking a hormone that targets the brain's appetite centers, making you feel fuller with less food. On the other hand, Mounjaro, with its active ingredient tirzepatide, is a dual-action powerhouse that targets two hormones involved in blood sugar control and appetite. Mounjaro is initially approved for type 2 diabetes, but has shown such impressive weight loss results that it's also being used for chronic weight management under the name Zepbound. Both drugs represent a significant leap forward in treating obesity, with clinical trials showing substantial weight loss and improvements in cardiometabolic health. It's a whole new era for those looking to manage their weight with science on their side. Number 3. Same-Sex Reproduction. This next breakthrough is not only fascinating but also rather controversial. Scientists have achieved something quite remarkable. They've successfully created mice with two biological fathers. How? Well, they figured out a way to generate eggs from male cells, which is a pretty significant development in the world of reproduction. This breakthrough could have some serious implications, like potentially treating severe forms of infertility. Plus, it raises some intriguing possibilities, like the idea of same-sex couples having a biological child together in the future. Katsuhiko Hayashi, the brains behind the operation at Kyushu University in Japan, has presented the findings at the Human Genome Editing Summit in London. He's pretty optimistic, suggesting that within a decade, it might be possible to create a viable human egg from a male skin cell. But some experts think that timeline might be a bit ambitious, given that we're still working on creating viable lab-grown human eggs from female cells. Number 4. Chiplets, the new chip revolution. Picture this: instead of a single massive chip running your computer, imagine a team of small, specialized chips collaborating seamlessly. That's the essence of chiplets. Chiplets are turning the computing world on its head by pushing the boundaries of Moore's Law, a rule that has long governed chip development, dictating that the number of transistors on a chip should double every 2 years. While recent advancements like the introduction of the Apple Silicon chip and the latest Intel Ultra series may seem to indicate a significant boost in computer power at first glance, a deeper dive into the history of chip manufacturing reveals that we're approaching the physical limits of transistor miniaturization. Chiplets, on the other hand, offer a clever solution to this challenge. Rather than trying to cram more components into a single chip, chiplets involve creating multiple smaller, specialized chips and then connecting them together. This innovative approach enables us to enhance performance without relying solely on the shrinking of transistors, opening up new possibilities for computing advancement. Number 5. AI for everything. Artificial intelligence, AI, has been everywhere lately, seriously. You can't scroll through tech news without hearing about it. Big players like OpenAI with ChatGPT and Microsoft's Copilot are leading the charge, but it's not just the giants making waves. Smaller companies are jumping in too, with products that harness AI in mind-blowing ways. And get this, AI isn't just sticking to one industry. It's branching out everywhere, revolutionizing healthcare, finance, and beyond. From diagnosing illnesses faster to making financial predictions more accurate, AI is shaking things up everywhere it goes. Just be prepared for the AI-dominated world that lies ahead. Number 6. Robotaxi. Remember when self-driving cars were just a sci-fi dream? Well, not anymore. The journey of autonomous taxi, aka Robotaxis, has been a wild ride of innovation and tech wizardry. Thanks to advanced sensor tech like LiDAR, radar, and cameras, these cars can basically see in HD, making lightning-fast decisions to keep passengers safe. But when will we see robotaxis everywhere? While widespread adoption is still on the horizon, experts predict it could take a decade or more. Still, companies like Waymo, Cruise, and Tesla are leading the charge, pouring resources into the technology and testing their fleets on real roads. The future of transportation? It's looking pretty autonomous. Number 7. Necrobotics. Speaking of robotics, there's a recent emergence that's a bit on the creepy side, Necrobotics. It's where the eerie vibes of horror movies collide with the cool innovations of technology. Imagine this, a dead spider transformed into a robotic gripper. That's precisely what researchers at Rice University accomplished, taking necrobotics to an entirely new level by utilizing deceased spiders as mechanical grippers. Here's the fascinating process. First off, let's dive into the anatomy of spiders. These arachnids move not with muscles, but with hydraulic pressure. Their legs boast flexor muscles that naturally curl when relaxed. To extend their legs, spiders employ a hydraulic mechanism, pumping hemolymph fluid, akin to blood, through their joints, thereby creating hydraulic pressure. Researchers begin by euthanizing a spider and carefully inserting a needle into its prosoma chamber, the spider's main body. And then, by introducing air into the spider's body, researchers replicate the intricate motion of spider legs, curling and straightening, thereby crafting a functional gripper. The resulting necrobotic spider gripper exhibits the ability to lift small objects and presents itself as a viable alternative to more complex mechanical grippers. Number 8. Advanced human-like robots. Humanoid robots are stepping out of the labs and into our lives, taking on roles that were once the stuff of science fiction. These robots, designed to look and move like us, are finding their place in various sectors. For instance, they're serving as bartenders, concierges, and even companions for the elderly. Take Digit, for example. This robot, developed by Agility Robotics, is designed to navigate complex environments and carry out tasks in places like warehouses. It's got a unique leg design that allows it to move dynamically, much like a living creature, making it perfect for logistics and manufacturing operations. Then there's Tesla Optimus, also known as Tesla Bot, a general-purpose robotic humanoid under development by Tesla Incorporated. Elon Musk has big plans for Optimus, envisioning it performing tasks that humans find dangerous, repetitive, or boring. Number 9. Rock battery. Yes, you heard that right, a battery made from ordinary rocks. It's like tapping into nature's very own energy storage system. Here's how it works. When you heat up certain rocks like soapstone or granite, they can hold onto that heat for a long time. Later, when you need energy, you can release that heat to generate electricity. It's a simple, low-tech way to store solar energy without fancy batteries. Now, thermal batteries, as this technology widely known, aren't exactly a novel concept, but they're getting a fresh look as people search for sustainable energy storage solutions. And it's not just rocks getting in on the action. Companies like Rondo Energy are experimenting with materials such as bricks to store heat. Other companies are also exploring the potential of materials like sand, salt, and metal. Number 10. Heat pumps. Heat pumps are essentially the Swiss Army knife of climate control, boasting versatility, efficiency, and sustainability all rolled into one. Rather than generating heat, they excel at transferring it from one location to another, resulting in decreased energy usage and a smaller carbon footprint. Come winter, they extract warmth from the outdoor air to keep your indoors cozy, while in summer, they switch gears to keep things refreshingly cool. Studies suggest that their impact is no small feat. Heat pumps have the potential to slash heating energy consumption by a whopping 65% compared to conventional electric resistance heating methods. That's a game changer for both your finances and the environment. Leading the charge in crafting these eco-friendly marvels are companies like Trane Incorporated, Midea Group, Nibe Group, Panasonic Corporation, and Mitsubishi Electric Corporation. Their innovative heat pumps are poised to become a cornerstone of sustainable living, paving the way for a greener future. And there you have it, a sneak peek into a future that's brimming with possibilities and innovations that could redefine our world. If you've made it this far in the video, drop the word AI in the comments to let us know you're on board with this exciting future. And remember, to stay ahead in the age of AI, check out other videos on our channel for more insights. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.